Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. USD CHF falls to 0.9100 neighborhood, fresh multi-year lows. HTTP ntvforex.com news ID B3A175. 5 minutes ago. By Haresh Menghani. USD CHF slides to fresh multi-year lows amid some renewed USD selling bias. The safe haven CHF further benefited from a sell-off in the US equity markets. Extremely oversold conditions on the daily chart warrant some caution for bears. The USD CHF pair witnessed some selling during the early North American session and dropped to the 0.9110 region in the last hour, the lowest level since May 2015. The pair failed to capitalize on its attempted intraday recovery move, instead met with some fresh supply near mid 0.9100s amid the emergence of some fresh selling around US dollar. The US Treasury bond yields recorded a steep decline on Thursday and capped the early modest USD rebound. In fact, the yield on the benchmark 10-year US government bond yield nosedived to the lowest level since early March following the release of the advance US GDP report. The preliminary numbers showed that the U.S. economy shrank at a record 32.9% annualized pace during the second quarter. The USD was further pressured by the impasse over the next round of the U.S. fiscal stimulus measures. With only 2 days left before the expiry of the existing enhanced unemployment provisions, congressional Republicans and Democrats have been struggling to reach a deal. Apart from this, a sell-off in the U.S. equity markets benefited the Swiss franc's safe haven status and further contributed to the USD CHF pair's intraday fall of around 40 pips. U.S. stocks added to the daily losses after the U.S. President Donald Trump proposed to delay the 2020 election due to coronavirus. The pair has now drifted into the negative territory for the 8th consecutive session, with bears now eyeing a sustained break below the 0.9100 round figure mark. However, extremely oversold conditions on short-term charts warrant some caution before placing fresh bearish bets. Technical levels to watch. USD CHF Overview. Today last price 0.9114. Today daily change 0.0012. Today daily change percent 0.13. Today daily open 0.9126. Trends. Daily SMA 20. 0.9351. Daily SMA 50. 0.9472. Daily SMA 100. 0.9581. Daily SMA 200. 0.9681. Levels. Previous daily high 0.9188. Previous daily low 0.9117. Previous weekly high 0.941. Previous weekly low 0.9204. Previous monthly high 0.9651. Previous monthly low 0.9376. Daily Fibonacci 38.2%. 0.9144. Daily Fibonacci 61.8%. 0.9161. Daily Pivot Point S1. 0.9099. Daily Pivot Point S2. 0.9073. Daily Pivot Point S3. 0.9029. Daily Pivot Point R1. 0.917. Daily Pivot Point R2. 0.9214. Daily Pivot Point R3. 0.9241. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://mt5.expert.advisors.